Hello students, let's do question number 5, fifth part of exercise 8.4 trigonometry. What we have to prove is prove that cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon cos A plus sin A minus 1 equals to cosec A plus cot A. Just look at right hand side cosec A and cot A. Beta, what is cosec A? Cosec A is 1 upon sin A. Cosec is reciprocal of sine. And what is cot A? Cot A is cos A upon sin A. Now what will we do? We will work on left hand side. We have cos A minus sin A plus 1. We don't have any cosec A and cot A. What we will do? We will divide numerator and denominator with sin A. Okay. We will write cos A minus sin A plus 1 upon sin A and cos A plus sin A minus 1 upon sin A. Clear? Now beta, if we have A plus B plus C upon 2, we can write it as A upon 2 plus B upon 2 plus C upon 2. Clear? What will we do? We will write cos A upon sin A minus sin A upon sin A plus 1 upon sin A upon cos A upon sin A plus sin A upon sin A minus 1 upon sin A. Clear? Now what is cos upon sin? Cos upon sin is cot A minus sin A upon sin A. Both get cancelled. Minus 1 plus what is 1 upon sin A? Cosec A upon what is cos upon sin? Cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. Clear? Now we are rearranging it. We will write it as cot A plus cosec A minus 1 upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now students, what will we do? You know we have an identity 1 plus cot square A equals to cosec square A and 1 equals to cosec square A minus cot square A. We will apply this identity in place of 1. Pause the video and note it down. I am rubbing it. Now beta, we will write cot A plus cosec A minus, instead of 1, what we will write? Cosec square A minus cot square A. Clear? We won't change anything in the denominator. Denominator is cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Got it? Now we know A square minus B square. What is this? A plus B and A minus B. We have this identity. Now cot A plus cosec A minus, what is cosec square A minus cot square A? We can write it as cosec A plus cot A into cosec A minus cot A. Clear? Upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. We have cot A plus cosec A. We are taking it as one term. Here we have cosec A plus cot A and cosec A minus cot A. Taking cot A plus cosec A common. What is left inside? This whole term is taken as common. What is left? 1 minus, put a bracket, this is taken as common, what is left here, cosec A minus cot A upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Clear? Now this is cot A plus cosec A, 1 minus, we have a minus sign outside the bracket, the signs inside the bracket will change. This will become 1 minus cosec A plus cot A upon cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Now students, look at these two terms, one positive, positive, minus cosec A plus cot A, the whole term gets cancelled. What is left with us? Cot A plus cosec A, which is our right hand side. Hope it is clear. Pause the video and note it down. Let's do one more question similar to it. This is, both these questions are very important for examination point of view. This is example number 15, page number 192 of NCERT. This is prove that sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 equals to 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. Clear? Now look at right hand side. What we have to prove? 1 upon sec theta and tan theta. We have two terms, sec theta and tan theta. We know what is sec theta. Sec theta is 1 upon cos theta. Sec is reciprocal of cos. And what is tan theta? Tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta. Now we have sin theta and cos theta. What will we do? We will divide numerator and denominator by cos theta. What will we get? We will write sin theta minus cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta. We are dividing the whole numerator and whole denominator with cos theta upon sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 upon cos theta. We will separate it. We will write it as sin theta upon cos theta minus cos theta upon cos theta plus 1 upon cos theta upon sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon cos theta minus 1 upon cos theta. Got it? Now what will we do? What is sin theta upon cos theta? It is tan theta minus cos theta upon cos theta is 1 plus 1 upon cos theta is sec theta upon sin upon cos tan theta plus 1 minus sec theta. Clear? Now we are rearranging it. We will write tan theta plus sec theta minus 1 upon tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Now beta, we have an identity. 1 plus tan square theta equals to sec square theta. Keeping 1 here, we can write it as 1 equals to sec square theta minus tan square theta. In place of 1, what will we write? Sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now we have tan theta plus sec theta minus, in place of 1, we will write sec square theta minus tan square theta upon tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Beta, pause the video and note it down. I am rubbing from here. Now बच्चे, we can write it as tan theta plus sec theta minus what is a का whole square minus b square. It is a plus b into a minus b. We are using this identity, and in place of sec square theta minus tan square theta, we will write sec theta plus tan theta into sec theta minus tan theta. Clear? Upon we have tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. We won't change anything in the denominator. Now, taking this as a one term, we have sec theta plus tan theta common. What is left here? We have 1 minus, in the bracket sec theta plus tan theta is common. What is left? Sec theta minus tan theta. Keep it in the bracket, because in next step we have to change the signs, because we have minus sign outside the bracket. Tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. We have sec theta plus tan theta, 1 minus sec theta. Signs will change as we have minus sign outside, plus tan theta upon tan theta minus sec theta plus 1. Students, look at this. We have 1 positive, sec theta negative, tan theta positive. The whole term get cancelled. I am rubbing from here. Now what is left with us? We have sec theta plus tan theta. Keep it aside. On solving left hand side, we have got sec theta plus tan theta. Now we are working on right hand side. What is right hand side? We have 1 upon sec theta minus tan theta. What we will do? We will rationalize it. We will rationalize it with sec theta plus tan theta. Multiply and divide both. Sec theta plus tan theta. What will we get? Sec theta plus tan theta upon a minus b, a plus b. It is a का whole square minus b का whole square. Sec square theta minus tan square theta. And we have already we have studied that sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So what we will get? Sec theta upon tan theta upon 1, which is equals to left hand side. Therefore, left hand side equals to right hand side root. Hope you understand it. Pause the video and note it down. We will do more questions in the next class. Thank you.